Ask the Expert, brought to you by Auger Hollingsworth.
If you want to get in touch with Auger Hollingsworth, you can see their information on the screen. Email them info@ahinjurylaw.com. They're at 1443 Woodruff Avenue and at 304 O'Connor. So we're continuing this conversation with Brenda Hollingsworth, personal injury lawyer. And here's another scenario for you, Brenda. I was driving my work vehicle and got into an accident. Can I still sue?
Yes,
Brenda.
so a lot of people wonder about that because you know that you might be covered by WSIB, which if you're in, workers' comp, if you're under workers' comp, you don't sue. But the answer is for car accidents, you probably have a choice to either opt into workers' comp or opt into the normal lawsuit system for car accidents. So this is where consultation with a lawyer is going to be important because there's going to be times when WSIB makes more sense, like if you're at fault, for example. But there are a lot of times, especially with serious injuries, that if you can opt out of WSIB, you're going to want to do that.
What does that stand for, WSIB?
Workers' Safety Insurance Board, maybe.
Okay.
Yeah,
that's
but workers' comp is
it's
what it is.
basically workers' comp. Okay, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
During the break, I was asking you, so you think that you may have a case, you were in an accident, maybe you were seriously injured, maybe not, but you just want to speak to a lawyer to find out if you do have a case. Pick up the phone, call you guys. What's the billing process like?
So our consultations are free. So that initial consultation is always free. If you hire us, it's still free. We get paid on a contingency basis, so we get paid out of the settlement. But that initial call, you will never be asked for money. Even if we go our separate ways, you don't hire us, there is no bill for that.
That is really good to know. So you can get somebody, a professional on the line, paint out the scenario and get some sort of an idea.
Yeah, that's why everyone should do it. There's no risk.
Okay.
Yeah.
Brenda Hollingsworth from Auger Hollingsworth, thank you so much.
Yeah, my
we really
pleasure.
appreciate you always coming in and giving us such great legal advice. Appreciate
my
that.
pleasure.
And if you want to get in touch with Auger Hollingsworth, there's their information on the screen, 613-233-4529. And there they are, 1443 Woodruff Avenue.